Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Leadpages and design lead capture UI pages. To begin, navigate to the Leadpages website. Look for the Get Started or Sign Up button. Click on it to initiate the registration process. Fill in the required information including your name and email address. Choose a password that meets the security requirements displayed. You may be prompted to select a subscription plan. Review the options available and choose the one that best fits your needs. After selecting a plan, enter your payment details if required. Once your account is created, log in using your new credentials. Upon logging in, you will be directed to the Leadpages dashboard. To create a new lead capture page, click on the Create New Landing Page button. You'll then see a variety of templates to choose from. Browse through the templates and select one that fits your campaign style. After selecting a template, click on Edit to enter the page builder. In the page builder, you can customize your template. Use the drag and drop editor to add new elements like text, images, and forms. To edit existing elements, simply click on them to access the editing options. You can change fonts, colors, and layout to align with your branding. To add a lead capture form, drag the lead form element onto your page. Configure the form settings to specify what information you'd like to collect. Common fields include name, email address, and phone number. After customizing the form, ensure to set up the thank you message. This is what users will see after submitting their information. Next, set up your email integration to ensure leads are sent to your email provider. In the settings, connect your preferred email service. Test the connection to make sure leads are captured correctly. Preview your page frequently to see how it looks on both desktop and mobile devices. Once satisfied with the design, click the Publish button. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.